Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to use multiple user feature in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings, click on system, here it is performance, and here it is multiple user. From here you have to enable it, click on add user, and you can share this device with other device by creating additional user. Each user has their own space which they can customize with apps, wallpaper, and so on. Users can also adjust device settings such as Wi-Fi that affect everyone. When you add a new user, that person needs to set up their space. Any user can update apps for all other users. Accessibility settings and services may not be transferred to the new user. When you just click on new user, next it will create a new user. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.